Alright?
I mean, you just can't give me a...
Matt, no. You messed up. It is what it is. There's consequences for your actions. You're a grown man.
I mean, you can't give me a summons, though?
No. You can go to jail tonight.
You want to do me like that?
Yeah, you messed up several people's nights, messed up their cars. They work hard for that.
Do you not understand that stuff belongs to somebody? So somebody has to pay with their own money because you got a couple quarters out of their cup holder. You don't even realize that.
Probably a couple $100 to get that fixed.
For you to get a handful of quarters. You get more money panhandling on the side of the road.
We're
On January the 5th, 2023, at approximately 1:30 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched on a call about a man breaking into vehicles.
There's a guy right now breaking into somebody's car. He's wearing all black with a hood up and he's a white male.
Okay, I got you. Do you see weapons on him?
I do not. He's busting out windows.
I got you. And what's he using to break out the windows?
I have no idea. He's taking his time doing it. He's walking around real slow.
I think you'll find this video particularly interesting because it shows all of the steps officers must take in order to arrest somebody for a misdemeanor theft offense. In this case, they had to find the vehicles that were broken into, find the owners of the vehicles, get the owners of the vehicles to verify that property was taken and to describe that property. They then had to make sure that those victims were willing to cooperate with a prosecution. They then spoke to witnesses who called in the crime. For those of you who are curious, the suspect in this case was a man named Matthew Andrews. He was placed under arrest for theft and criminal damaging. He was taken to Franklin County Jail where he was released within hours on his own recognizance. His trial occurred on March the 9th, 2023, where he pled guilty to the theft offense and all other charges were dropped. He was sentenced to 24 months of probation in order to pay a $200 fine.
How you doing, buddy? That's it, I'm out with you. Take your hand out of your pocket for me, bud.
Taking this?
Okay. Step over here with me. Have a seat on my bumper. Put your drink down. That's it, I've got it in front of 287 West Park. Just have a seat for me.
Copy. First crossing, advised.
Okay. I didn't say you did.
I walked out to the piss and was getting ready to start walking. You pulled up.
Okay. Well, you're the only person I see out here, Matt.
I know, but I'm trying to keep myself just straight. I ain't...
Okay. All right. Well, somebody called and said you were busting out windows, getting into cars. Okay. I'm being honest with you because I've known you a long time. Okay. So I would appreciate it if you'd be honest with me. Are you cold out here doing silly stuff? Huh? Where are you staying at now?
Where I was walking to.
What's that?
Central, where I was walking to.
We're out on Central.
North Central 190.
Okay. Alright, take your hand out of your pocket, bud. You guys have gloves? Huh?
What do you say?
Gloves? I just want to pat him down. I don't have any gloves. Chopper, we're good, thank you. This is going to be him.
And what?
Just want to pat him up, down, and detain him. Yeah, I'll put some in my pocket. Appreciate it. You guys got him. He dropped something over here I want to get. Just on a tree. Yeah, there was a whole bunch. Honestly, it would make sense if it's him, too. Do you know him? Matt Andrews?
Yeah.
He's pissing right there, so be careful.
I mean, it's the exact same.
MO.
Yeah.
Then I said, "Are you out here doing something stupid you shouldn't be?" Doing a whole bunch of Tide Pods, and he was like, "Yeah," and just nodded. So. Did we find what cars he was getting at?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, I see that now.
That one right there.
Oh, that little turd.
This one. I didn't walk down far enough. But
Did you add the tags?
I did not.
Honestly, it's hard to even see that glass. There's only a little bit landed on the outside. Old Matt Andrews, man, that's funny. Who? Oh, what's he on?
He's at 580.
Oh, yeah.
His knee.
I forgot he was still up there. Oh, he must have taken this out because there's glass in the bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after just having
There's glass on this. It looks like it was in somebody's car probably. He just broke the window and glass landed in it. What else he had? Oh, glass in his property.
It's a little crooked.
Yeah.
Bunch of cheese.
Well, and the bag that he had has glass in it too. So that one is broke. The one two up from that is broke.
He's got window in his pocket and a whole bunch of ashtray change. And a pair of sunglasses. Expensive sunglasses, my dad. I have my rig that's cost much. How much shit's broken? And we went back and looked.
This car he was in, and this one he was in. So it'll just be running the tags and see.
he was making his way
Screwdriver. I don't know who that belongs to, but it's Matt Andrews is his name.
It is him?
Yeah.
Lou? Hey, do you know whose car this is right here? Please.
Yeah, we can move it.
No, I need to. Which one is hers?
That's right
Do you know whose that is?
mine's the Chevy right there.
Okay.
I don't know. That's the next door neighbors right there.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, that one right
That's
there.
this neighbor's?
The next
Or
one.
the next one over?
Yeah. That's
Okay. Well, luckily yours didn't get the window busted out of it,
Oh shit. Okay.
but this one did. So that's neighbors over here.
And over there. It's not the I'll point to.
But it's the one they're in front of right there.
It's the next one.
The next side of that double.
Furthest from this house. Yeah.
Okay.
So sorry about that.
Oh, thank you.
Hello, sorry to wake you. Does this SUV belong to you or that one?
Which one?
There's that one right there or this one?
It's the one with the spitzer at the front.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, somebody broke out your window, and we have that person in custody. Do you have anything in there?
My car?
Yeah, there's the back.
God damn it, that's the second time this year. Okay, is there anything valuable in my car?
Well, we just want to know because he did have some property on him, and I wanted to be able to link it to your car if there was anything.
I don't know if there's anything crazy important in my car. Can I look in it and I can tell you?
Yeah,
if
you
there's
can.
anything
Yeah,
with it?
absolutely. Get some shoes on. It's registered to you.
No, it's actually not.
Okay.
I literally just bought it like a month and a half ago. Can I ask how'd you catch it?
One of your neighbors called in on him, and we caught him around here.
Okay, well.
So,
Man.
it looked like he went through your glove box, too.
Naturally. back here. I can't think of anything.
You have any change in your...
No, there's a whole bunch of laundry detergent back here I don't see.
What kind of laundry detergent?
Tide?
Okay. That's all that was on him. It was over here, I think.
Okay.
That's so random.
Was it in a bag?
Yeah, there's like 3 or 4 pouches.
Was it in a bag or just by themselves?
Yeah, but like they're like.
Yeah,
they're
it's
like
a bag detergent, but was it in a grocery bag or something,
like
just by itself?
I have no idea.
Okay. And this is your car then?
Yes, this is my car, but it's registered in my mom's name.
Okay. Hey, that bag that you had that had the laundry detergent in, did you see him holding it?
No, he was just sitting right by the tree where he was standing.
Okay. What are you guys taking?
Like, the tree's here, that's the
I assume.
That's the blue Ford Fusion's info.
Didn't make entry, just damaged
No
the
entry,
back
yeah.
driver's one.
Okay.
I wrote it all down.
Okay. So she did say she had laundry detergent in there,
Okay.
and she described the bag.
Oh, so that bag was taken from her stuff?
Not the grocery bag, but the detergent was.
Okay. Yeah, it was bag detergent. I've never
Yeah.
seen that.
No, I haven't either.
How you doing? Really? Yeah, I've dealt with him for a long time, so it's definitely his MO. So none of these cars were damaged? Are you guys the one that called?
I did.
Okay. Do you guys have video or anything? Or?
No, I was just sitting out here smoking, and I heard glass break.
Yeah.
And I noticed him right here at that SUV.
Yeah.
And then that's when I texted him. I was like, hey, there's a guy out here breaking in cars right now.
Yeah.
And as soon as I sent him that message, he had walked up to that blue car, and I heard the window breaking in that car.
Yeah, he tried to break it, but it didn't go all the way through. Okay, that might be from last night. It's got a little dent on the back door, yeah. So, the car and the 2 SUVs he got tonight.
Oh, he got both of the SUVs. So I think that SUV belongs to the person that lives right across.
Okay. I'll shine my light. That one right there? Okay.
And then the other SUV is on the other side.
Okay, so both halves of that double. I don't know, we'll see. We'll call a detective and see what they want to do. So, hopefully. He probably has warrants.
Hey, what's the password to your phone?
Why, so you can get in and look through my shit?
No, I just want to know if you know the passcode.
Yeah.
Okay.
All that money is mine.
It's getting turned in as evidence. No, it's not. Alright, so he can keep the phone. He knows the passcode to the phone. He can keep this. These are trash. He can keep this. And then all the rest of that's going to be turned as evidence. And the Red Bull is already open. He cannot take this into the jail.
I turned those cigarettes in too.
You want to turn them in?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Look how much. I think we got all the evidence we need. And he knows the passcode to the phone, so he can keep that. And then, oh, this. This has to get turned in.
I wonder if it's as bad as hers.
Anyone?
She said it wasn't in a bag. Alright, so, well, let me write down this. No, it's liquid. So it's 1.33 liters. So I can look up and see how much it costs. Sorry, what? Is that your bag? Okay, perfect. How much is this bag? How much did you pay for these ties? Perfect.
Oh, yeah, let's do that.
I'm gonna say.
Oh, I have. Oh.
What?
Or do. I have a slip.
Oh. Oh, well here.
Did you buy that on Amazon? Is that how much it is?
No, I bought that a while ago, but it was $12 on Black Friday.
$12. Hey, Hamilton.
You're like my wife. She'll leave stuff in the car for 6 months and then
Exactly. I'm like,
I've been looking for this for 6 months. Have you seen it? Check your car.
I've been doing a shoe drive at CTV in Whitehall, and we've just been getting so many donations and stuff, and just stay in the car.
I saw a meme today that was like, it was just like 3 garbage bags full of clothes in someone's trunk. It was like, you know, when you go to take stuff to the mill.
For all 3 together?
Yes.
Okay. $16 and what? Okay. Yep. Alright.
You write down the version lender thing.
Yep. $12 on Black Friday. Alright. Here's the bag. Did anybody give you a report number?
No.
Okay. Let me get. You have one?
I have it. Is there anybody that can get someone supporting you drop me off my house?
Buddy, you'll probably get released from jail with an OR bond anyways. So it's not
I'm
gonna.
saying I'll stay home. I mean, come on, man. If I won't get released from with an OR bond, you might as well just. I'll go home. I promise.
No, I'll let the court decide that. I'll put that on them. All right,
I mean, you just can't give me
Matt. No, you messed up. It is what it is. There's consequences for your actions. You're a grown man.
I mean, you can't give me a summons though.
No, you can go to jail tonight.
You're gonna do me like that?
Yeah, you messed up several people's nights. Messed up their cars. They work hard for those.
Do you not understand that stuff belongs to somebody? So somebody has to pay with their own money because you got a couple quarters out of their cup holder. You don't even realize that.
Probably a couple $100 to get that fixed.
For you to get a handful of quarters. You get more money panhandling on the side of the road.
We're working. You were working at McDonald's.
How would you feel?
I got a job in one accident.
Okay.
Well, then stick to your job. Don't pick up more hours. Don't go. Huh?
This is gonna be a peach.
You paying somebody with a fucking escape, bitch.
Yeah. You want to bet?
You're a bitch.
Okay.
You're a bitch.
All right. Tough man.
Tough.
You went from please let me go to your
No. Hey, can it go without saying? Can we straight shot him after?
I copy him 207.
Okay.